everybody and welcome to my channel. So they are going to be two unboxings. Both of them are going to be urns and they're going to be the next two videos. So next video after this is going to be another one. So this is one of the urns. I'm not sure which one. I don't think my father-in-law is supposed to come in today. I think this may be either my dog, Benji's, or my grandmother-in-law. So we have, what are these? Oh, that's batteries for Bronco's shot collar. I was like, what are these? Okay. And then Brucey, that is so uncalled for right now. Here's the urn that I bought her. It's got a lighthouse. She really loves lighthouses. So, I don't know if I should unpackage this. But since I bought it, I want to make sure that it's not broke before I give it to my grandfather-in-law. Comes with this really, really nice bag. Alright. Super heavy, too. Really nicely packaged as well. Oh yes, that is gonna be. Hey, that is uncalled for. That is gonna be beautiful. Sorry for my dogs. All right, bye you guys.